हम्म. So I woke up few minutes back. अभी वो बताऊँ क्या इसकी माँ की चूत. Look, टाइम एक्चुअल टाइम क्या हो रहा है 18:06. सो अभी ऐसे टाइम बदलना पड़ेगा. वो क्या बोलते हैं वो बाहर रहते हैं ना. हाँ. Scammers wanted to prove something. You know what they wanted to prove? They wanted to prove me as Ted Bundy. They wanted to prove me Ted Bundy, and I was proving myself as Jeffrey Dahmer. What if I turned out like Mason then? What if I turn out like Mason then? Huh? So they wanted to prove me a Ted Bundy, that I am Ted Bundy. Huh? And what if I turn out like whatever? And I was proving myself as Jeffrey Dahmer. Huh? Ted Bundy was after those smelly pussies. है ना? And I was proving myself, no, if you want to put me into this thing, so I will prove myself as Jeffrey Dahmer. Right? And what if I turned out to be a Mason then? I will read a book and then I will correct. Oh, you used to read Bible and then you used to commit crimes, right? Huh. So, this bastards, this garbage. Look, justice for men is very important nowadays. You saw that Atul fellow, a female judge did a horrible thing to him. Then he committed suicide. He gave his case online and he committed suicide. You saw that? If instead of doing that, he would have put that wife's brother in Nakli Ball people, then. uh, So it's very important. This rotten women, some of these rotten women thing, their men are the superstars from of the world. Their men from the house are superstars, and we all are rest are garbage. समझे? Grab them men, snatch them and guys, grab them men, bench up, cut their fucking throat, put them in Nakli Ball people. Those women will get a nice lesson after that. Grab those men, stab them, benches, put them in Nakli Ball people. They thought men are just like that. They know how to scam and what do you call it? They are the. Grab the men from their house, put them in bench of prostitution. They'll come to know what happens. I'm going to put them in prostitution. They have to only, what do you call it? Someone has to only present a, what do you call that? Message planting thing. I'll put them in prostitution. It's damn important nowadays. This woman, what they have thought, they'll put on, not all of them, few of them. What they thought, they'll lootify other people, and put in the our loot, our what do you call it, our hard work, they will put into the ass of them and from the house. Grab them and bench, grab them and stab them, stab their asses, bench, and give maki chud. It's their men from the house now. इनकी माँ का भोसड़ा बेंचो. That Atul fellow who died, you know that thing. The wife was asking for some alloy money, and her brother was, what do you call it, enjoying the money. समझे? Grab these bastards. Grab the men from their house, start doing it, target them, watch them where they go and come. Watch those bastards at least. Do they work in banks and all? Justice for men is very important nowadays. You are not getting this part. The system is rigged to feed these, what do you call it? Slut, the one who plays the slut card. I played my card right. They cannot put me into anything, bencher. Magic planting, their husband is a faggot. Their husband is a transsugar. Me, preference of sex. What it is, the entire world knows. And court don't know. Court knows everything. Grab this man. Justice for men is very important nowadays. The men from their house, the sextortion women houses, grab them, benchers. Give them a taste of their own medicine. नंगे करो भेंचो इनको पब्लिक में. जिंदा जलाओ एक दो जन को. इनकी माँ की चूत. जो the one who is suffering from alloy money and all this stuff, जिंदा जलाओ इनको. ऑलरेडी तुम्हारी जिंदगी नर्क है. जलाओ इनकी माँ की चूत. इनके घर के मर्दों को निकालो बाहर जो सेक्सटॉर्शन करती है औरतें. समझे? उनके मर्दों को बाहर निकालो. किधर महिला को क्या किया हमने? कुछ नहीं किया. समझे? निकालो इनकी माँ की चूत. इनकी टारगेट करके रख दिया बेंच लूटने के लिए गुज चाटने के लिए. ये माँ की चूत इनकी. So they wanted to prove me as Ted Bundy, and I proved myself as what? Jeffrey Dahmer. And if I land up in being a Mason, then what will do? So घड़ी जो की है ना, घड़ी एंकर वाली घड़ी है. गांड में एंकर लगा देना तुम्हारे.